Hey guys, welcome back to Skyrim, where we play Skyrim. And in the last episode, we started wearing headphones. And we got gear and the sword, and he didn't pick up the battle axe like an idiot.
What? I did pick it up.
Yeah, you were supposed to pick up the battle axe.
I did.
You did?
I have it.
The battle axe?
Yeah, I didn't get any potions.
Get the novice stuff, because that's worth a lot. You can just sell that.
I found potions somewhere else, in a different room.
You know what the novice stuff is worth so much? Because it's so crappy. Alright, so go to him. Today we're gonna continue. Take the gold. Take the gold. And take his stuff. Strip him from his clothes. Strip him from his clothes. You guys will see this once the thing. He looks so dumb. Run away. Is the sensitivity still full?
Probably.
Run.
Can't turn so well.
Go to the mold. Go to settings.
You want to look at it again? Yeah.
It's back to norm. What the? There we go. Yeah, it's still quite crappy, but... Oh, why did I put that in my weapon? Okay, go. Weapon in hand. Is left click melee, like to attack?
Yeah.
There's no way out. Better down here than out there.
Yes? Yes, sir?
Better down here than out there.
Go through him. Is that an option?
I think he said there's nothing down there, but we'll check.
Screw him! Screw you, buddy. Oh, there's nothing down there as he follows you. Is he going down there just to prove a freaking point?
Yeah. Who's this guy?
He's his partner in crime.
Torture's assistant.
Come on, hurry up. The audio is great. Recording a video.
I pressed the E button, but he's not talking to me. Sometimes.
Nobody cares.
The torture's assistant's clean with this.
Check Bandicam out in this mission.
Where's the way out?
We're in Oblivion. Oh, I remember this. I was here for this. Yeah, yeah. Kill him. Kill him. Yeah. Yeah. Yo. This is probably gonna be my best videos ever on my YouTube channel. And if you know how we do this, check out Bandicam and Destruction. A 10-minute time-minute version is absolutely free. So if you want to record little 8-9 minute videos, are you dead? Okay, you're not. If you want to record little 8-9 minute videos, a free Bandicam is perfect for you. The screen recording doesn't work because you can screen recording. You can easily record a video just like this. It's a little laggy, but it works. Yeah. And if you want to record hours on end of videos, get the $50 version for US
Let's see what this goes.
in the description.
Get a good gaming machine.
And you gotta get a good computer
Yeah.
in order to run this high-end software. High-end free software. We're pretty much on halftime. We're a little over halftime now. For sure. The audio's kind of lagging a bit. But now I hear the scream. And now I hear the stream. It's going quite a lot now. Talk, Ian. Commentate.
Yeah.
He's supposed to be the main commentator, not the co-commentator.
I'm the silent type.
But I'm supposed to be the co-commentator, but you never know it after seeing this video. So just run along the stream. Run along, kids. Run along, kids. For sure. For sure. I guess we better turn this one on. So, are you gonna melt that?
Spiders.
Kill them! Kill the spiders!
Yeah!
Oh no.
Ah! Kill them! Kill them all!
There's so many of them.
Run away! You can't run! Kill them! Kill the spiders!
He was able to kill them.
He killed all of them like a beast.
He's better than I am in fighting.
Place down your weapons, sire.
There's a bear just ahead. See her? I'd
Yeah.
rather not tangle with her right now. I might be able to sneak by. Just take
Cut his arms off. Cut his arms off.
Or if you're feeling
Another 2 minutes remaining, Ian.
might take it by surprise.
A long bow and some iron arrows. Equip the bow. Equip the bow. Can you equip 2 things at once?
No.
Why can't you?
You can't use a bow and a sword at the same time.
Just use the bow for now. Kill him! Kill him! Tuh. Zoom in. Double the damage? Nice. You know what? I think we should end the gameplay here. You wanna do that?
Okay. Yep.
And let's just talk to the people for a little bit, for a couple seconds. So, no, save. So what we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna be pretty much putting this all at night, and hopefully by that time, we can upload all the videos. And a big Skyrim thing is going on. We're going through our Skyrim YouTube phase. I'll be doing maybe possibly 60 seconds. And yeah. We're possibly going to do 60 seconds. And other games like that. Maybe Left 4 Dead 2. Do stuff online. I'll catch up with that. Yeah, but that's pretty much it. Maybe FIFA. I don't know. Bye. Comment, like, subscribe. See you in the next video.